Inventory management. So we are going to start inventory management. So in the first part we have seen purchasing. Because we are in need of a material, so we have created purchasing documents like purchase requisition, purchase order, request for quotation, contract, schedule agreement, etc. And we have seen different types of purchase orders, how you are going to convert them. In the next section, that is in the inventory management, we are going to see how we are going to handle the metals and goods, the stocks of the metals and goods. So when the suppliers send the material to the company, to the business, so what happens? The total we'll discuss in the inventory management. So from this topic onwards, the MM model is parallelly integrated with the finance model, because whenever you are receiving the stock of the material means further stock you will have some value or some price. So basically what is an inventory? Maintaining the stocks of the metals and goods by value and by quantity. Maintaining the stocks of the materials and goods by value and by quantity is called an inventory. The total inventory management deals with the goods movement of the materials. The total inventory management deals with the goods movement of the materials. Goods movement of the materials means movement of the goods takes place here and there. Movement of the goods takes place here and there. So what is a goods movement then? So goods movement is a process of resulting change in stocks. Goods movement is a process of resulting change in stocks is called a goods movement. The goods movement is classified into three categories. The goods movement is classified into three categories. They are goods receipt, GR, goods issue, GI, transfer posting, TP. So goods movement is classified into three categories: goods receipts, goods issues, transfer posting, GR, GI and TP. So first is GR. So what is the meaning of GR? So for example, you have created a purchase order to the vendor. Now the vendor has sent the material. Then at that time we create a goods receipt. So goods receipt is a goods movement at which the receipts of goods is posted. So goods receipt is a goods movement at which receipts of goods is posted. For vendor, if it is with reference to purchase order, and for production, if it is for the production department with reference to production order. So normally goods receipt is created in the system in two ways. One is against the purchase order when you are receiving the material, raw material from the supplier, and again as a production order when we execute the finished material. After executing the finished material, we have to show in our stocks, in our inventory. So this is one type of goods movement. When GR is created in the system, then what happens? The stocks of the materials and goods will update. Not only stock, value also. So when GR is posted in the system, what happens? The stock and the value will update in the system. Okay. So when a GR is posted, it results in the increase in stock and value. The next goods movement is goods issue. So once you receive the stock of the material from the vendor, it is available in the stores or warehouse. So from where what we are going to do? We are going to issue to different departments, to production, to cost center, to maintenance, etc. or to customer delivery. That is one type of goods movement, that is goods issue. So goods issue is a goods movement at which material withdrawal or consumption or usage is posted. Goods issue is a goods movement at which material withdrawal or consumption or usage is posted with reference to goods issue with reference to sales delivery, goods issue for a particular cost center, or goods issue for a particular production order. And when GI is posted in the system, when goods issue is posted in the system, it results in decrease in stock and value because you are removing the stock from the warehouse or stores and you are issuing it. Next, transfer posting. It is a logical term of stock transfer that takes place in the system only for system updation. No physical activity takes place at all. So transfer posting is a logical term of stock transfer. The changes takes place for stock types or stock categories. And this transfer posting is further classified into 4 categories. Transfer posting from plant to plant, transfer posting from store location to store location, transfer posting from stock to stock, and transfer posting from material to material. It is further classified into 4 categories. So these are the 3 types of goods movement takes place in the inventory management. To perform all these functionalities, there is an important control parameter plays major role. What is that? That is called movement type. This plays a major role. What is a movement type basically? It is a 3-digit code or a key. It is a 3-digit code or a key which plays an important control function in IAM. Which plays an important control function in inventory management. So it determines which stock account or consumption account is updated in the financial accounting. The movement type determines which stock account or which consumption account is updated in the financial accounting. And this movement type plays a major role in automatic account determination. There is a topic called automatic account determination, that is during integration with FI finance. And for each and every movement type, we have the reversal movement type or vice versa. For each movement type, we have the reversal movement type or vice versa. This is very important. Now we'll see this inventory management scenarios. First, I'm going to create a material master. So I'm going to create a new material master now. So let's say I create as 2001, or let's say I create I create T2001 material. Enter, purchasing group, press enter, enter, enter. Now in the accounting one view, as usual, we'll enter the valuation class, price control, price unit, and give some price. Just below it, You have total stock and total value. It is 0. Why it is 0? Why not with some figures? Because still we are in the creation of the material master. So far I did not create any purchase order. I not received any material from the supplier. Once you create a PO, and once you create a GR, then this total stock and total value will update. Till then, the total stock and total value will be 0. Fine. I created a material master. Now for this material, I create a purchase order. So this also we have seen ME21N to create a PO. Purchasing organization, purchasing group, company code, material, quantity, net price, plant and store location. Yeah. Now, if you see the status of the purchase order, it displays as ordered. It means you have ordered the material, and still to deliver. It means still you need to receive the material. So far you have not received it. And before going to save this, I will go to a transaction code. I'll open on the screen to see the stock overview of this material. Actually, this is not the step, just for our understanding purpose. So I'll go to a transaction code called MMBE. I want to see the stock for this material which is created just now by entering the material, plant and store location. I will execute. Now I could not able to see the stock in any case, in anywhere. Okay, fine. I'll keep this screen as it is. I will save the purchase order now. So PO is created. So after the creation of PO, before creation of GR, where the stock will be? That is very important point. They will ask in the interview. But normally we blindly say stock will not available or will not show in the system. It's wrong. Okay. The question is, listen carefully. I created a purchase order, but I did not create a GR for that PO. Can we see the stock in the system? Yes. Where you can see. Now order is created. So I got my PO number. Immediately if I go to stock overview, so far you are not able to see stock anywhere, right? Now at the left side, at the top of the screen, there is an option called a refresh button. So this is a refresh button. The moment when I click on this refresh button, now see here guys, automatically see it. You are able to see the stock, on order stock of 10 tons. Don't confuse, it's 10 tons, not 10,000 tons. So this is your company code, this icon. Below that, plant. Below that, store location. So system is showing that the stock is available under this company code, under this plant, under this store location. Doesn't mean. So when you create a PO, before creation of GR, the stock will be under on order stock. This should be your answer. And the PO is called a open PO or open order quantity. Okay. Just for understand purpose, I came to this screen. So I created a purchase order. Now vendor has sent the material. Therefore, I want to create a GR for that PO. Now we are going to see the scenarios. So the first scenario, GR with reference to PO or to create a GR. For that, first of all, you need to create a purchase order, and for that purchase order, we need to create a GR. The transaction code is MIGO with movement type 101. This movement type will not changes even in the real time. So I create a purchase order. So I'm going to GR screen MIGO. So the moment you come to the GR screen, we need to check all the options. So here it should be goods receipt, again is the purchase order, enter the PO number, plant. If you get plant, it's okay, otherwise you need to enter plant. And at the corner, we call this as a movement type. So just make sure that the movement type should be 101. What is this 101 says? 101 says goods receipt for purchase order into stocks or warehouse. Goods receipt for purchase order into warehouse or stores. Enter the movement type and document date and posting date. Enter the movement type and document date and posting date. Press enter. Press enter. Automatically from the PO, it displays the details over here. In item details, you can say, if you click on the material, which material you have purchased, how much quantity. In the warehouse on again, it displays the movement type, plant and stores, PO number, potter is nothing but your vendor number. So total at the bottom of the GR screen, there is an option called item OK. Activate the indicator item OK. Unless or until if you don't activate, system will not allow to create a GR. Check. Save or post. Posting is only possible. Okay, one second. There is. So go to GR screen again. Click on check. Save. The moment you create a GR, there will be a lot of changes take place in the system. We'll see what are those. So system throws a message saying that material document created. That is material document or GR document. Makes same sense. Now to display material document MB03 transaction code. To display material document, the transaction code is MB03. So enter material document here. Enter material document here. Press enter. Then click on accounting documents. Then click on the document number. So the system displays accounting document because you have received the stock of the material. You go back. Now place the cursor on the material and click on metal tab. Directly I'll go to accounting one view. So total stock and total value is updated in the material master. Because you have received the stock of the material from the vendor. Previously it is 0. Now it automatically updates total stock and total value because we have created a GR. So total stock and total value is updated in the material master. Next. So whenever you want to see the stock of a particular material, just now we have seen this transaction code MMBE, stock overview. Whatever may be the material, enter the material, plant and store location. If you want to see the stock, we need to go to the transaction code MMBE. If you execute, now see where the stock you got. Previously, when you create a purchase order, it is under on order stock. Now once you create a GR from on order, it came to unrestricted. Unrestricted means there is no restriction. It's a good stock or available stock. The meaning of unrestricted use stock. Then next we'll see PO history or PO status. So for this we'll go to the transaction code ME23N. After coming to this transaction code, there is an option called other purchase order. Click on other purchase order and make sure that whether the system displays your PO number or some other PO number. If it is your PO number, it's okay. If it is some other PO number, replace it. Press enter. In the header level, if you go to the status tab, now your PO status is updated from still to delivered to delivered because we have created a GR. So your PO status is updated. Then I will go to item details. Here you will get a new option. What is that? That is PO history generated after creating GR, where you can see the movement type, GR document number, that is metal document, how much stock and how much value. So PO history is updated. So these are the changes takes place the moment you create a GR. It is just for understanding purpose, guys. After creating the GR, so we are going to see MB03, MMBE, ME23, and it is just for our understanding purpose what happens when you create a GR in the system. So these are the changes and updations takes place once you create a GR again as a purchase order. The next scenario is to cancel a GR. For example, let us say I created a purchase order for 10 tons, but the user has created a GR by mistake for 10 tons. Actually, I created a purchase order for 10 tons, but vendor has supplied only 5 tons of the material, partially, for example. Then, instead of creating a GR for 5 tons, by mistakenly, I created a GR for 10 tons. Now I want to cancel the GR. So at that time, we'll cancel the goods receipt. So next scenario is to cancel a GR. So if you want to cancel a GR, first of all, a purchase order should be created. Second, a GR should be created with the movement type 101. And to cancel a GR, the same transaction code, only the movement type changes to 102, just a reversal of the movement type 101. That's it. So I'll go to the GR screen. GR against PO, enter your PO number, plant. At the corner, the movement type should be 102. Enter the document date and posting date. Press enter. So if you get this type of screen, again you press enter. So automatically from purchase order, the system will take the information. So you have created a PO for 10 tons. Now you go to item details, quantity tab. The quantity ordered is 10 tons. I have received only 5 tons. Or you can need, but you are cancelling the GR, right? So I'll cancel it. Item okay. Save. If you want to cancel partial also, you can do, guys, as you wish. So I'm doing totally cancel for 10 tons only. Straight away. Save. Again the system creates GR document created or material document created. Again as usual, you can go and see MB03. This is just for our understand purpose. What's happening in the background. Enter the material document and the year. Now this time, click on the material tab. If you go to accounting one view, previously your total stock and total value, it has shown some stock and value. Now again it became 0 because I created a GR for cancellation. Come back. Even for cancelling the GR also, accounting document is created. Click on it. Yeah, you can see the accounting document. Now this time again I'll go to stock overview. The transaction code is MMBE. Material, plant and store location. If you execute, previously display stock under unrestricted. Now again the stock is under on order stock because we have cancelled the GR. PO history or PO status. If I go to purchase order, previously displayed delivered, again it displays still to delivered. And in item details, again it displays the moment type 102, GR document, stock became 10 minus. See how the system automatically updates the documents. Next is GR for partial delivery or partial quantity. The next scenario, GR for partial delivery or partial quantity. What does this mean? It means I created a PO for 10 tons of the material, but the supplier has sent only 5 tons of the material. At that time, we created GR for partial delivery or partial quantity. Same transaction code, MIGO, same process, GR against PO, the PO number, plant. So you are reaching the stock means, as I told you, the movement always will be 101. Document date and posting date. Press enter. In item details, in the quantity tab, instead of 10, as vendor has sent only 5 tons, so I create 5 tons. But your quantity order will not change, guys. This is your order quantity. It will be 10 only. How much you have received? Enter that here. As usual, activate the indicator item OK. Click on check. Save. Again material document is created. Again same process. You go to MB03, enter, then click on the material tab, accounting one view. So total stock, it displays 5 based upon that value. So total stock and total value is updated in the Material Master. Same process. If you want to see the accounting document, it will hit the accountings finance. Yes. Then we'll go to stock overview, that is MMB, material, plant and store location. If you execute, this time the unrestricted stock is only 5 tons and your order stock is 5 because you have created a GR for partially. See how this keep on updates. If you go to ME23 and transaction code, again check it displays with the PO number or some other PO number. If you go to header level, actually order is 10 tons, delivered is 5 tons, still to deliver is 5 tons. See how it keep on updates. Now if you go to item details, PO history, again it displays a movement type 101, GR document, stock became 5 plus. So it will keep on update the documents. Next is, so whatever the partial quantity you have received, it's got damage. So I want to send back the material back to the vendor. So GR for return delivery to vendor.